Good morning. Here we are at 1 in the morning. We're headed out to Alpine. Ben and Tiara are on their way in from Eagle Mountain. Obviously I was closer, so I'm headed up there to see what the situation is. Looks like we got a Jeep stuck in the snow. So I'm headed up in Red Charlotte, and we'll go see what we're getting into. Looks like it's pretty deep. Looks like they dumped the front end of the Jeep in kind of a hole or something, judging by the picture we got. So hopefully it'll be a good one for you guys. We are in the middle of the night, and so everything's dark, and it's gonna be hard to film with the GoPros, but I'll try to get some footage with my phone, and I brought a light, so hopefully we can get some good footage for you guys. So hope you enjoy it, and wish us luck. See if we can see my face a little bit. Looks like we're about there to the turnoff. Can't really see it. We'll head up in there. Yeah, how's it going?
Going all right. It's we've been trying every which way, but it's haven't made a lot of progress.
All right, well, is this your truck?
Yeah, this, we can get this moved out of the way, but
Hi.
likes to slide in.
Nice to meet you, Caleb.
See you.
Go take a quick, oh, you know what? I left my light. I have a big light because you can't see anything in the dark on the GoPros. Do a quick walk around real fast. And do you have decent traction with that? I noticed your tires are, what's that?
It's enough that we can get out, but every time we try to hook it up.
Well, I meant just get off to the side,
Yeah, we can
sort of a thing. I do have another truck on its way, so we'll have to make room for it too. What I was worried about from the picture is just the deepness of the hole, because we don't want to hit it with kinetic energy, I don't think.
It's a little high speed.
Yeah.
Several different trees to try to pull it.
We'll probably just unhook the winch and go backwards with it. Mechanically, is the Jeep okay?
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with it? Okay. Yeah, if you'd have had a decent tree to hook to, you could probably pull yourself through it.
That's what I was thinking. It's so sad and cold.
Looks like your hitch is actually a good secured one, so I should have a good pull point. Okay, well, let's get started with unhooking the winch, getting that truck moved, and I'll get in position and we can start getting hooked up. Do you want the light up here?
You're good.
Well, there are some Patagonia tracks there, so that's probably Caleb.
Take the next right.
It's kind of the only option. Oh, he's in Charlotte?
Your destination is on the left.
I love that truck.
Howdy, howdy. I got a pull point. I'll grab it in just a second.
Okay, it's good. I might be able to go over this way, and then the lights will shine over here better.
Yeah, if I don't slide, that would be fine. If I start sliding a little, then
Well, we might as well
Might
move it
deadhead.
now. I just didn't want to pull up too far and get in the way, so we knew what was going on. So I'll just pull around over
I
on
don't
this
see an
side.
issue with the pull, just that if there's too much uphill pressure, I might need to deadhead.
It would be good to pull the Chevy down out of the way.
Hey Ben, you're supposed to go through the hole.
Didn't I?
No.
That's weird. I pushed it back so it looked like it was lined up.
Out of the winch, hooked to some trees up there, and I think if she'd have had a decent tree to hook to, she probably could have pulled out the other way. But trying to get it off the frame and climb that's
a tough way to pull.
Yeah.
You'd have to have a really good winch and a really good tow point, like anchor.
Tree to anchor
Yeah.
to.
Even-
It's just at old Badlands.
Even here. Oh, okay. I can get the tires. Good. I was worried about being able to turn and it putting sideways pressure on that. So,
I think-
okay, that's good.
I think with this angle, turning the tires a little more driver, you know, or yeah, driver.
Yeah.
Pretty hard left actually.
I
think it'll come right out.
Yeah, I can turn this way and walk up here much easier. Okay. Or turn more left. Is that somebody's cell phone right there?
That's about in the creek. I found this phone sitting in the ice almost in the creek. Okay. Well, we'll have you guys, if it's all right, stand right over here by the Hummer.
Kind of out towards the driver's side.
Yeah, just over to the driver's side.
Okay.
And keys are in it, I'm assuming, since it's running. So we're
Is
going to
that
have
light
him
bright
in it.
enough?
It's doing
Just-
pretty good. It's in 4 low, and I think the sway bar is off.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, you can back up. I got the winch line. Shout out to Alan at Yankum Ropes. The stuff he makes is amazing. Very easy to use, very strong, very reliable.
Made
Go get you
100% in the U.S.
Made 100% in the U.S. Go get you some off our website. Again with Yankum and their awesome fair lead that protects the rope. Look at that. Now I can ram cars and my rope will be fine. Not that I ever do that with this.
With this.
Just hold it. It's gonna hit you. Alright, that's what increase is for.
I wonder if Steve can go back and like dub in that footage of me ramming that Buick.
Yes.
Oh, you got a puppy I didn't see? Can I say hi? You want to bite me? No, you're nice. Yeah,
There's
what about
2.
you? Look at you. Cute little puppies. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Looks like we can get you turned around. And are you going to go up and turn around, Ben?
I was just gonna back up to just behind the Hummer and turn around there.
Okay, let me get out of the way. It's a little slick right before you hit my truck. Do you want these broken pieces of the... Well, if it's just trash, I'll throw it in the back of my truck. I didn't know if you had sentimental value or anything.
No, that was the first time I tried using them, and they were garbage, so.
Yeah. Unfortunately, that's how a lot of the traction boards are.
Yeah. What kind of rope do you use? You were
So,
talking about it.
all of our winch cables are synthetic line.
Okay.
Most of them we buy from Yankum Ropes. They're a little more expensive, but the quality is unparalleled. Everything's made here in the U.S. In Idaho, Burley, Idaho. It's all made in a factory.
Nice.
All of our kinetic energy ropes are Yankum now, and the toe points that I saw, or that I had, the fair lead, all that's Yankum. It's amazing stuff.
Yeah,
Your
I might do that.
steering wheel's kind of sideways now.
Oh.
Looks like your drag link might be bent.
Okay.
So might want to take it to a suspension alignment shop to have that either straightened or replaced and then alignment done.
What's it called again?
It's the drag link.
Drag link. Okay.
Hopefully that's all. I just looked under it real quick with a flashlight, and that definitely has a bend in it. So hopefully that's the only thing.
Okay.
Hey, Steve, or Lunchbox, whoever edits this, make sure you blur their faces.
And license plate.
They always do the license plate. And blur my face. Nobody wants to see that.
Don't blur his face.
I'm going. Doesn't the camera do that automatically when you're in the shot?
No, that's definitely Steve. He doesn't like looking at it.
So I'm going to turn the Hummer around real quick. Starting to snow pretty good out here. I like it. I kind of want to stay out here and wheel.
Don't you have work in the morning?
Yes. Stupid work. Wouldn't be the first time I wheeled all night and still went to work the next day. I'm surprised you got that Chevy up here with those bulb tires.
I have a feeling there's a lot of speed involved.
Probably.
I love that truck so much.
It is a pretty sweet truck.